Welcome to Freedom Fender, your home for everything two-wheeled and electric. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Revolt RV500, a motorcycle that's set to redefine electric mobility in India. If you're curious about where performance meets sustainability, this one's for you. Powertrain and performance. The Revolt RV500 comes equipped with a newly developed 7.5 kilowatts electric motor, offering a noticeable leap in both torque and top speed compared to its predecessor. With a top speed of around 110 km per hour and a 0 to 60 km per hour time under 5 seconds, it positions itself firmly in the urban performance category. The throttle response is crisp, and the ride modes Eco, Normal, and Sport give riders full control over range and power. Battery and range. Powered by a 5.0 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack, the RV500 boasts an impressive real-world range of up to 160 kilometers in Eco mode. Fast charging support means you can go from 0 to 80% in about 90 minutes, making it viable for daily commuting and even light touring. Battery swaps continue to be part of the Revolt infrastructure, offering unmatched convenience. Design and build quality. The RV500 maintains Revolt's signature Street Fighter aesthetic but with a sharper, more premium edge in 2025. Redesigned panels, LED lighting, and an updated digital instrument cluster give it a modern, tech-forward feel. Build quality has also seen improvements with better materials, tighter finishes, and a more robust frame. Smart features. Revolt has stepped up its smart game. The RV500 integrates a 5-inch TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, GPS navigation, and OTA updates. You can remotely monitor your bike, track rides, and even simulate different engine sounds through the app, offering a customizable experience for riders. Pricing and verdict. Expected to be priced around 1.75 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. The RV500 targets urban riders looking for a reliable, eco-friendly alternative to petrol-powered machines. With its blend of performance, tech, and value, the 2025 Revolt RV500 isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold statement in India's EV journey. Outro, Freedom Fender. Thanks for riding with Freedom Fender. Don't forget to subscribe for more electric motorcycle updates and reviews. Until next time, ride free, ride smart.